सदाशिवा समारम्भ शंकराचार्य मध्यम अस्मराचार्य पर्यन्तं वन्दे गुरु परम्परम् वन्दे गुरु प्रणवानन्दम्। ॐ प्रणवो धनुषरो जन्म ब्रह्मतलक्ष्य उच्यते अप्रमातेन वेदव्यं शरावतन्मयो भवेत् शरावतन्मयो भवेत्। Devotees, welcome again to Mandir. But this morning I did my yoga and meditation and went out, and the rain is pouring very hard and high winds, and I got soaked, and it's very dark out there. So I guess it's the blessings that we're doing Aarti inside today, and my intention is to explain the greatness of this Guru Aarti and all Aartis. And we do this at Bharat Sevashram Sheng in all our branches, and devotees have their altars in the home. You also, you may not have Guru Swami Pranavananji, but you will have your altar, and whatever deity you have there, that is good. Keep on doing it, devotion and faith, Shraddha and Bhakti. This morning, let us all start out with this flagship bhajan of Bharat Sevashram Sheng, where adorations we give to Guru Maharaj, Swami Pranavananji, manifestation of consciousness. So I hope you're in that good state of mind, and you have withdraw your senses from the outside, like a turtle will pull in its limbs inside, and safely secured in that place of tranquility and peace and silence. Have silence, because this is the language of God. Let's communicate with silence. Let's get into that meditative and devotional setting. भाव सागर तारन कारण है रविनंदन वंदन कंदन है शरणागत किंकर वेद मने गुरुदेव दया कर दीन जने हृदय कांदर तामस भाष करो है तुम्हें विष्णु प्रजापति पर ब्रह्म परात पर वेद बने गुरुदेव दया कर दीन जने मन बारन शासन अंकुश है नर त्राण तरे हरि कुश है गुण गान परायण देव गने गुरुदेव दया कुंडलिनी घुम भंजक है हृदय ग्रांति विदारन कारक है मम मानस चंचल रात्रि दिने गुरुदेव दया कर दीन जने रिपुसूदन मंगल नायक है सुख शांति बरा त्रयताप हरे तब नाम गुरे गुरुदेव दया कर दीन जने अभिमान प्रभाव रिमर्द कोहे गोतिहीन जने तुमि रक्षक चित शंकित वंचित भक्ति रने गुरुदेव दया कर तव नाम सरा सुख साधक है पतिता धम मानव पावक महिमा तब गोचर शुद्ध मरे महिमा तब गोचर शुद्ध मरे गुरुदेव दया कर दीन जने जय सद्गुरु ईश्वर प्रापक है भावरोग विकार विनाश करे। मन जैन रहे तब श्री चरणे, गुरुदेव दया कर दीन जने। गुरुदेव दया कर दीन जने, गुरुदेव दया कर दीन जने. Well, this morning I want to explain the arti, and in the essence of time, you'll see me moving a little fast. I would like to go slower, but the essence of time, that you'll see that we'll do the Abhishek. Abhishek meaning that we surrendering to the feet of Guru by worshipping his feet. And then, when we're done with that, we put chandan and we put flowers, and then we'll do the arti, chanting mantras. The first item I'll use is the agarbatti. Agarbatti is representative of the element earth, and it's coming through our nose, smell, so the senses smell. Then I'll do the panchadip, and that is representative of light and fire, and that is coming through the sense organs of eyes. Then I'll do the shell with the water inside. The water is, of course, is water, and then it's taste, because without water in our mouth, saliva, and the juices, we cannot taste and digest our food, and our bodies have so many water. And then I'll do the fan is always there, and fan is royalty to Guruji, and also the fan is giving air, and it touches our body, our skin, all over our body, and that's the sense organ. And then I'll do then we'll give Guruji the food afterwards, and that also is the taste. Also then we go into the space. Space is in the shell also, and that is the sound, and is coming to our ears. When these five senses go into our brain, becomes our mind. And Guruji, today I'm surrendering my mind to you. I want that divine mind. Let my sense organs be powerful, but let me surrender my mind to you, and you give me that divine mind. And by surrendering these five elements, earth, water, and fire, and space, we are also surrendering our body, because our body is made up of these things. So surrender the body, mind, and Guruji, I've read all about you, your intellect. I'm surrendering my intellect, and also take this Abhiman, because this is the biggest obstacle in my life. And then we'll be using the Trishul to take these five gunas, Sattvic, Rajasic, and Tamasic guna, and take it away, because these are the manifestations of consciousness. And in return, I want to become like you. So my prayers, all I'm surrendering everything, the obstacles, mind, body, and intellect, and I want to be like you, consciousness. So this is the essence of the arti. And then of course we'll be doing mantra. I wouldn't have the time to explain it to you, but just think that they're very powerful, and they're coming from the Gita and the Vedas, these mantras. But before that, let's do surrender to the Guru. Hare Guru Shankara Shiva Shambho, Hare Guru Shankara Shiva Shambho. Om Hare Guru Shankara Shiva Shambho, Hare Guru Shankara Shiva Shambho, Hare Guru Shankara Shiva Shambho, Hare Guru Shankara Shiva Shambho. And these are the words that came out the mouth of Swami Pranavanandaji when he got in the God realization in Magh Purnima in 1917. Hare Guru Shankara Shiva Shambho, Hare Guru Shankara Shiva Shambho. Please join me with the Aarti now as we'll do the cleansing. We took a nice bath. I take a nice bath after coming back. And then we want to cleanse the inside. We want to make this water coming from all the rivers. Om Gange Chayamane Chaiva Godavari Saraswati Narmada Sindhu Kaveri Jale Asmin Snanidim Kuru. Om Kurukshetra Gaya Ganga Prabhasa Pushkarani Cha Tirtanyatani Punyani Kale Bhavantuha. Om Amrito Pasternamasi Swaha. Om Amrita Pidhanamasi Swaha. Om Satyam Yasha Srimahi Srayatam Swam. Om Shanno Devi Ravishtaya Apo Bhavanta Pitaye Shanno Ravi Sravantunam. Om Vak Vak. Om Prana Pranam Chakshu Chakshu. Om Srotram Srotram. Om Nabhi Om Hridayam. Om Kantaham Siraha. Om Bahobhyam Yashobalam. Om Karatala Karaprishte. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate. Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Dhyanamoolam Gururmurti Puja Moolam Guru Param Mantra Moolam Gurur Vakyam Moksha Moolam Guru Kripa. Bolo Sisi Guru Maharaj Ki Jai. Om Om Sahasra Shirisha Purusha Sahasrakshu Sahasrapat Sabhumin Sarvato Sritva Atyatishta Dashangulam. Om Sarvatah Pani Param Tat Sarvato Akshi Shiro Mukam Sarvatah Sruti Maloke Sarvamavritya Tishtate. Om Jyotishamapi Tajyoti Tamasaha Paramuchyate. Jnanam Gyam Gyanagamyam Riddhi Sarvasya Vishtitam. Om Gatir Bharta Prabhu Sakshi Nivashaho Sharanam Sure. Prava Pralaya Stanam Nidhanam Bijam Abhayam. Om Tvamadi Deva Purusho Purana Tvamasya Visvasya Param Nidhanam. Tvamabhayo Swaswata Dharma Gupta Sanatanastvam Purusho Mato. Om Pitasi Lokasya Characharasya Tvamasya Pujasya Garur Garyam. Natvatsamo Asti Abhyadika Kuto Anyo Lokatre Apiya Pratimam Prabhao. Om Karo Jaya Guru Om Karo Jaya Shiva 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 Om. Om Karo Jaya Guru Om Karo Jaya Shiva Om. Karo Jaya Guru Om Karo Jaya शिवा ओम गुरु ओम शिवा ओम गुरु ओम शिवा ओम गुरु ओम शिवा ओम गुरु ओम शिवा ओम करो जया गुरु ओम करो जया 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 शिवा ओम करो गुरु ओम करो जया शिवा ओम करो जया 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 गुरु ओम करो जया शिवा ओम नमो श्री भगवते प्रणवाय ओंकार मूर्तये साक्षात् परब्रह्म स्वरूपिणी नमस्ते श्री भगवते प्रणवाय परात्मने महामुक्ति विरात्रे वै ज्ञान भक्ति प्रदायिनी श्री गुरवे नमो नित्यं सुधासता शरीरने भवबन्धना चिरानंजनं नमामि सर्वसाक्षिणं गहोरिष्ठं गुहातीतं पुरुषं गहनात्मकं वन्दिताखिलमर्ताय पूजिताक्षेशभक्तये तेजोदीप्तो प्रकाशाय नमस्ते सर्वशक्तये प्रसन्नं वन्दनं देवं सर्वकल्याणकारणं नमामि सुश्यामलङ्गं मधुरं सो मनोहरं वामकरादृतदण्डाय नमः त्रिशूलपाणये अमितागदुरिताय प्रणवनन्दाय ते नमः भावातीतं यष्टो महाभावयुक्तं निराकारं यच्चत् साकारदीप्तम् ॐ हैतुकं प्रेमघनदिव्यामूर्तिम् आचार्यरूपं प्रणवं नमामि आचार्यरूपं प्रणवं नमामि ॐ गुरुकृपाहि केवलं गुरुकृपाहि केवलम् ॐ गुरुकृपाहि केवलं गुरुकृपाहि केवलम् श्रेयो हि ज्ञानमभ्यासच ज्ञानध्यानं विशिष्यते ध्यानत्कर्मा फलात्यागस् Tyagakshantiranantanam. Arjuna, you have done worship to me. You've done arti. And very nice, you do that. And you've done it with devotion, and you know who I am. I am that consciousness. I am the Virat Root. I am the Atma. I am the manifestations of Vishnu Bhagwan. I am the demigods. I am the five elements. And I am the brilliance in all of my creation, among the 73 things that I am. Devotees, today, this sloka is telling us that when we, every day in our arti, we should think and understand and think the greatness of the deity of, for me, Swami Pranavanandaji, his manifestation of consciousness, incarnation of Lord Shiva. So I think of him and all the experience I have, I bring it to my arti, so this way the devotion and the bhakti is there. And then I'll sit and we'll do a little meditation. And then afterwards, what will happen? I will think of what I should do today. And with you, I would think that you want to do some good for Bharat Sevashram. I will recommend that you, hi, nice to see you. You're seeing me too, and you never saw the face, you only hear the voice. But this morning, I guess it's Guruji's grace that, we can do this arti. But try to, Krishna Bhagavan would have said, that giving charity is one of the greatest things. Doing good for society is the greatest thing. And this morning I humbly ask that I know you might not have the capacity to do good, but give it to Bharat Sevashram Sangh. If you go to our website, you see www.bharatsevashramsangh.net, and you can see how you can make transfer to our bank account there, or you can call our ashram and in Kolkata, or you'll get that number on the website. So make it a point today that follow the instructions of the scriptures and do good. Try to always do good and don't look for the reward. Have the sattvic attitude of giving and not expecting anything in return. Not the rajasic or the tamasic where you look for things. So this morning, it's a pleasure to have you with us, you this morning. And here is Guruji. And you can always play this video when you do your arti in the morning or any time you feel to have that inspiration. And read the mantras and get the explanation. They're available. Hari Om, Shanti, Shanti, Hari Om. Have a beautiful day. Isn't it so beautiful to be together? Okay, Namaste ji, Namaste.